So in this video, we're going to be milling this log into stickers because we're running short on stickers. So I'm going to get this all milled up, and in the meantime, the kids are working on a camping project that we're doing. So we're actually going to camp out here in the woods. I'm not sure yet where, but the kids are going to go off into the woods and they're going to try to find a spot for us. And then we're all going to head out there and set up camp and stay out there for the night. All right, so the kids are on their way out looking for that camping site. I'm going to get this thing milled up. Some logs aren't worth saving. This thing's junk. I'm getting rid of it. Alright, sometimes you just have to know when to throw in the towel. And this is one of those moments. The guide bearings on the mill, once again, are all worn out and seized up, which seems to happen every couple months or so, or every 10 or 20 logs. I don't know, because we do plan on going camping. So I'm just going to leave this log here and I'll get rid of it next time I come out here to mill, which will probably be tomorrow. And then I will move on to milling something else. Unfortunately, even though it's not a huge log, this mill can't handle it. So I'm just going to 86 this thing, move on to our camping trip, and share that with you right now. So enjoy. So now for our camping trip. So the kids are going to show me the spot that they picked out. Bye, Mill. Come on, Enrique, show me where we're going.
We could have just cut through the woods right there, but kind of get turned to lot on the house.
Well, you are wearing Crocs.
True.
And Ryan, you guys are you guys wearing your hiking Crocs?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, what do you know? This is a great spot.
We raced it out. Yep.
All right, check it out, guys.
The only thing is that there's this little bump here.
That's fine.
Yeah.
We'll put the tent to the side of it. This is a great little clearing up here.
Yeah, we raced it out.
And this is actually one of the spots that I'm thinking about building my workshop when I get around to it. You can see the road down there.
You can see your neighbors.
And then it goes way off up into there. Our property line goes back, I think, another couple 100 feet that way. There are a ton of mosquitoes out here. So for some perspective here, you can see the sawmill down there and the skid steer and the truck and the container. Here comes Ryan with the tent. Yeah, I got a couple trailers up here in the woods. I'll eventually do something with them, I guess. There comes Mr. Man in his hiker Crocs. All right, hold it. Let's work on getting. Just not yet.
Okay.
Just wait.
Can you tell us when?
The two of you. See, hold on a second, Ryan. Just hold on to it. All right, Ryan. Push it a little bit.
Kind of have to push Emma.
Keep going.
We both have to kind of push at each other so it doesn't.
Keep going.
How about you start walking? I like
Yeah,
these.
keep going.
Wait.
No, it's not. I can't feel you pushing.
Start
No,
walking.
it's not. Oh, push.
I'm pushing. Start. There we go.
Yeah, I know.
I'll hold here.
Finally. Push.
There we go.
I am.
Stop. Emma, you said.
Maybe you weren't pushing hard enough. I don't know.
Which way are we on?
Is that
This
good?
sideways.
I think so. All right.
Okay.
All right. You want to choose two? No, you're gonna hold it. We're gonna lift this whole thing up.
Okay.
And
My
get
tent's
end
up.
in.
What?
I gotta get my end in.
Okay, I'm holding it.
Okay.
Is it in? Yep.
Apparently this tent is broken.
It is?
Yeah. Somebody thought it was a cool idea to duct tape it back together.
Duct tape it.
Yeah. There's duct tape holding the tent together over here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's sturdy.
Go get a broom.
From inside the house?
No, from out you have to go to the house.
Can you take this? The jug? I
Yep. Quickly, because there's a lot of bugs out here and I want to get these tent spikes in. We need to close this door, Emma. Every time you come in here, pull it out. Let's start with the back first.
It's soft anyways, you can push it right in.
Probably. So it needs to be pulled straight, like that, okay?
Yep.
Alright.
I'm just standing here and doing nothing.
There.
So,
What does she think? Alright guys, so we got our tent set up. That was a little nuts because the mosquitoes are out here in full force. They're pretty nasty. We got most of the stuff we need, but at some point we're gonna run up to the house and grab a couple of things. Deck of cards, some snacks I guess.
Well, baseball cards.
I'm getting it.
A deck of baseball cards?
That's what Ryan, yeah, that's what Ryan wants.
No, that's
in the car though.
No, he wants playing cards.
He said that? Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they play war with Dad.
So we're gonna play war.
No, not that kind of war. Do you know how to play war, Dad?
Yes. So we're just gonna hang out in here for a little bit, take a break from the mosquitoes, and then we're gonna hike up back to the house, which is, I don't know, 500-600 feet from here. And then we're gonna head over, grab snacks and drinks and cards, and I'm gonna grab my stuff so I can sleep out here. Maybe just a blanket or something to lay on top of, something to roll up as a pillow, or just bring a pillow, I don't know. That's pretty much all I need. I got my coffee and my water.
Games.
Emma's got some games.
Got chutes and ladders.
She got chutes and ladders. Sounds like we might have some rain. At least we're staying dry.
Right, yeah.
Alright, we're going to just hang out here for a bit, and then we're going to take a walk up to the house, get some stuff, and we'll be back. Hello, welcome back. So today is the next day after we just were out camping in the woods over by the sawmill. And so we got up, got out of the tent, came to the house. The kids are now eating breakfast. I'm heading out for my run this morning. Today is going to be in the mid-90s today. It's going to be the hottest 3 days of the summer, probably. It's going to be like 92 today, and then 95 tomorrow and the next day. And so I'm actually interested in seeing how the solar kiln does on these days, because it's going to be bright and sunny. So it should be interesting. So I'm going to head out for my run. I'm going to get some logs milled. I'm going to record some videos for you guys so you can see those logs getting milled, and then we're going to get back to camping later on, do some stuff out in the woods. We're probably going to work on the campsite a little bit later, so we'll try to record some of that. All right, stay tuned.